Welcome guys. In today's video, I am going to talk on international monetary systems. What is international monetary system? It is a set of rules, regulations, policies, practices, instruments, institutions and mechanisms by which the exchange rate between the currencies are determined. Initially, countries of the world had gold standards. We have three types of gold standard. First is the gold specie standard. In this, the currency was made of gold coins with fixed gold content. In India also during the time of kings, for some period during the British rule also, the currency consisted of gold coins. Of course, there were problems related to it, like if the value of gold increases, the price of gold increases, people used to melt the currency, so which they can sell then at the price of the gold because the price of the gold is higher. Because of number of reasons like this, countries abandoned gold specie standard and went for gold bullion standard. What is gold bullion standard? In this, the currency consisted of paper notes, but a fixed weight of gold remained the basis of money. Any amount of currency people can take and get it converted into gold from the country's monetary authority at a fixed conversion ratio. So countries gave guarantee that you can bring your currency, paper currency, and we will convert it into gold at the fixed conversion ratio. So this was to have the confidence of the public in the monetary system of the country. And then came gold exchange standard. So countries gave up the conversion guarantee also. But what they did is paper currency can be converted at a fixed rate into paper currency of any other country. And this country should be operating on either gold specie or gold bullion standard. So initially US continued on gold bullion standard, and the countries, they gave the value of their currency in terms of US dollar because US dollar was in gold bullion standard. So these are the different